What is good, you guys? I'm back again with a video. This time I'm about to show you guys how to do knotless braids. Disclaimer, this is my first time doing knotless braids, so they're not like perfect, but they in there. So like, yeah, as far as braiding hair, I got Freetress, the pre-stretch braid hair, because yeah, it's just easy to deal with, especially when you're doing the knotless. It's just easier to grab the hair and stuff. I only use 2 of these packs. I ordered 4, but I only use 2 of them. But the thing is, I have an undercut as well, so I should have known I need less hair than I usually do. But yeah, so let's get straight to it.
Cash.
Back. Sorry about how close I am, but I left these 2 in the front to show you guys how I did it. Where I start, I'm not a pro. I basically looked up one video on YouTube. What was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. What was I saying? Oh, I don't know what I was saying. This is my first time doing knotless braids, but I think they came out pretty good. So anyway, this is the gem I'm using. I think it's easiest if you prep your braiding hair when you go to start. So first, let me get this together. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. You put it in 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Take the 2 here. You put it in the middle like that. Okay. Let me see. And you start it. And basically you add as much hair as you want. As thick as you want it to be is how much hair you would add. So now, add them to that strand too. Okay. This one in the middle again. When you add hair, the strand has to go directly in the middle. Basically to hold it up, I think. I don't know. I just saw the girl do it. I was just like, okay. And I want to add one more to these 2 strands right here. So for me, I add like 3 strands to get this medium size, and I add like a whole bunch of jam. Like this jam is like my favorite now, and with this jam you can't really tell the color difference unless you're looking at my roots, and that's why I love it. Except for there, I didn't use as much jam. I've been doing my hair for 2 days now because I don't know, if you count the parting and all that other stuff and stretching, I'll say I've been doing my hair for about a week. But that's okay. And I'm gonna show you guys one more time on this side, because show you twice to be nice. I don't think I ever heard that before, but yeah, I actually like it. This is like my first time doing knotless braids, and this is also the first time I actually got knotless braids. So yeah, this is how I prep it. I have it like this, but multiple ones. I have like 12 of them over here, even though I don't need 12. I only need like 3 now. Yeah, that's how much I had left when I started braiding. So yeah, I have about multiple of these about this size. Some people have them smaller, some people have them bigger. For me, this is the size that fits my parting space, if that makes sense. Like the size of the, you get what I mean, right? Like my braiding hair literally came Saturday. It came Saturday. I didn't start till Sunday, and today's Monday night, and I'm finishing my hair like I have somewhere to go tomorrow. Like I can go somewhere tomorrow. Okay, so I went too fast through that. But see, I'm adding some for this strand right here, that little lovely strand. Okay, so you see how these 2 is double and then single. Y'all probably can't tell, but I can tell, and that's all that matters. I'm adding another one right here. Okay. Middle, cross, continue braiding like how you usually braid. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. I take a clump just to get them flyaways, because my ends, they do be flying though. No matter how much I use, I haven't seen it flake once. So yes, darling, we love to see it. And mind you, the rest of these braids are like 24 hours old. Jesus, I'm tired. It's like 33 o'clock at night. I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 11. I can't hang lately, you guys. I really can't hang. Like, look at me. with my hair, trying to keep my hair right, and braids is just the best way to go. I just like how flat it looks. Like, I'm always trying to make my box braids look flat like this as possible. I don't know why, but I like it like this. If I don't look at my nails, stop looking at my nails. But if I decide to dip my hair tonight, I'll show you guys the whole process of me finishing my braids after I finish my braids. Okay, so I decided not to be lazy and finish it all tonight. So first I'm gonna pull this thing back. Oh, okay. I try to leave like the least amount of edges as I could because it's a different color, obviously. Oh, did I show y'all what kind of edge control I'm using? 24-hour edge tamer is the same edge control I always use because, yeah, I love it. It looks so stupid, half up, half down, because I got this undercut. I have to cut that too, but that's not what this video is about, is it? Even though my hair isn't symmetrical, I'll have to have my edges symmetrical because it just makes me feel better. Like, you see the difference? Like, y'all can't really tell, but it's not the same, okay? Y'all can't tell, but I can, and that's all that matters. I don't know, y'all probably can't tell, but now I'm gonna bring it back down and oil it first. We need the oilers. We don't want a dry scalp, honey. I'm using my hair growth serum that I made myself. Again, I will be selling that soon. Just working to make my business official before I sell because I'm bougie and I need to sell things when it's official. So yeah, basically, that's basically my explanation right now. And this is lightweight, so you can really use this every day. So I have me some yarn. I also ordered this offline, and I had me some little gold pieces that I've had in the house for like a very long time, but I never do these size braids. So yeah, now that I have these size, I can finally use these. This is all one string. I have to cut it. These were only like $2, I think. Got this all from one site. Right now, I can't think about what the site is. Divatress or something. But I ordered this and I ordered a wig and it sucked. If you guys want a wig review on that, I don't have no problem doing it, but it's like the wig sucked. I probably never get wigs from them again. Let's see how gold looks. Maybe I should have got silver, I don't know. I'm only gonna do one right now. Ring's not really the same color though, but we're gonna do it anyway. Of course I'm gonna do 3 rings because, yeah. Or I should do 4 because 4 is my favorite number. These are kind of hard to put on. I'm not even gonna lie. That one don't even want to act right. Hold on, because we might have to get a new ring. That's all the ones we're going to do right now because I'm tired. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below. I'm showing you next. What was I saying? Then peace, doses. See you guys in the next video.
Cash.